Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Beatles. Cool. 8 days a week. Alright, let's go over the main chords first. And then I'm going to show you the intro and the outro. The song is in D major standard tuning. 1, 2, 3. Here's the strumming pattern. Major to E major. 1, 2, 3. G major. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we have the pre-chorus, B minor. Hold me. Bar 2 from A string. 4, 4, 3. G major, back to B minor, E major, and then verse chords again. 8 days a week. 8 days a week. Back to verse. And then we have 8 days a week to B minor. 8 days a week, G major. So that part is 8 days a week, B minor. I have to think a little bit. 8 days a week, E major, E major, G, 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 Cool. So that's all the parts for the main chords. The intro is way up, kind of hard on the acoustic guitar, but same chords, same shapes, you just got to move it up. So start on D string, 12, 11, 10, open E string, and then you grab 12 on B string. Move that up to 14, same shape. Do the same thing, and then move it all the way up to 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Easier on the electric. Okay, so let's review everything before we hang up the lesson here. D major, E major, G major, D major for the verses. And then pre-chorus, B minor, G major, B minor, E major. And then back to verse. And then the breakdown, the bridge. 8 days a week, B minor. 8 days a week, G major, E major, A major. Alright. Cool, thanks for tuning in, guys. Not that hard, right? Beautiful song. I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy.